Hi friends, this week we're talking about the 5 senses. Hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, seeing. Did you see me make a funny face? I have a story that's one of my favorites. It's called I Hear a Pickle, and smell, see, touch, and taste it too. It talks about all the senses. Hearing, I hear the birdie. I hear the bee. Uh-oh, I do not hear a worm. My 5 senses I hear, I smell, I see, I touch, I taste, and we're talking about hearing. I hear a seagull, caw, caw. I hear the ocean in the shell. I hear the waves, crash, crash. I hear Grandma on the phone. We hear the music, we dance. I hear the drums, too loud. I hear the fridge hum. I hear my cat purr. I hear the vacuum, vroom, vroom. I hear traffic, honk, beep, honk. I hear rain. I hear thunder. I don't hear the snow. Why can't you hear the snow falling? Is it lighter? Hooray, hooray! I hear my hit. I hear the cheer, the crack of the bat. Now we're going to talk about smelling. You use your nose. I smell the soap. I smell Mommy's perfume. It smells so pretty. I smell my blankie. I love my blankie. I smell my baby's poop. Does it smell good? Or does it smell kind of yucky? I smell my big brother's smelly sneakers or his gym shoes. I smell bread. I'm hungry. I smell toast. Uh-oh, it's burnt. I smell pizza. I smell cheese. Sometimes cheese doesn't smell good. Most of the times it smells pretty good. I don't smell. I have a cold. Achoo! I smell rain. I smell the grass. It's so fresh. I don't like to smell cow poop. Do you? I smell the flowers. How do those flowers smell? Now we're going to talk about our eyes. I see with my eyes. I see the airplane up so high. I see the lamp is on. I see. The lamp is off. I don't see. It's too dark. I see my books. I read to Henry. I don't see the words in my book. Oh, I wear my glasses. I see the words. She was having a little trouble seeing. I need glasses to read too. I don't see the flowers growing. Maybe it just grows on its own. You might have to check it every day. I see Charlie. Do you have a pet that you watch? A fish, a dog, a turtle? I see snow. I don't see my mitten. Where could the mitten be? Oh, there it is. We found it. I see the moon. I see a star. I make a wish. I see the bunny. It hops. I see a turtle shell, but I don't see the turtle. Hello in there. There's his little legs and his tail. But where did he go? I see fireworks. Wow, those are beautiful. I see my balloon. Bye-bye. Now we're going to talk about our hands and touching. I touched the friendly dog. He's so soft. I touched my birdie. Hi, Lulu. I don't touch the fish. Why wouldn't you touch a fish? Is it in a bowl? Is it wet? Do you think it's slimy? I think we just look with our eyes so we can see it. I touch the sand. I make a sandcastle. I touch the rain. I don't like to touch a cactus. It's very prickly and it can hurt your hands. I touch my baby brother's feet. Tickle, tickle. I don't touch my boo-boo. Ouch, it hurts. I don't touch the plug. Nope, stay away from plugs. You don't want to get hurt. I touch the lollipop. It's kind of sticky. I touched the egg. Oops, it fell. It's okay. We just have to clean it up. I don't touch the stove. It's too hot. I touch the cupcakes. I touch the worm. It's slimy. I do not touch the painting. It is wet. I touch the bubbles. Pop, 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 pop. Now we're going to talk about using our tongue for taste. I taste the watermelon. It is sweet. I taste the pretzel. It's salty. I taste the hot dog. Yum. I wait to taste the oatmeal. It's still too hot. I taste the apple. Crunchy. I taste the chili. It's spicy. I taste the milk. It's cold and wet. I don't want to touch the spinach, but I tasted it and I like it. Sometimes you just have to taste something and try it, and it becomes yummy. I taste the crackers. Look who else likes crackers? The birds. I taste the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I taste the jelly sandwich. I am allergic to peanuts. Some people are. I taste spaghetti and meatballs. My favorite. I can't wait to taste the cake after dinner. Look like he's ready now to eat it. I taste the ice cream. My dog likes it too. I taste the pickle. It's sour. I smell the pickle. It's spicy. I see the pickle. It's green. I touch the pickle. It's slippery. I hear the pickle. Crunch. That's all about pickles and senses. Bye, friends.